Hi, I'm Paisley Smith, and I'm a virtual reality director, filmmaker, and I lead Unity for Humanity at Unity.
My name is Moody Matan, and I'm the co-founder and CEO of BrandXR.
Hi, my name is Sam Roach. I manage the partner engineering team in EMEA.
My name is Andrew Connell. I'm a VR developer, simulation engineer, and content creator on YouTube. I enjoy VR development. I think it's really fun because there's always new and interesting problems to solve and interesting things to think about. Even things in real life that we take for granted, like picking up objects and opening doors, in the virtual world, we need to account for the user experience of being able to do those things.
VR dev, for me, it's a problem that isn't completely solved. And I think that to an engineer is one of the most interesting things that you can ask, right? I love games, I'm very passionate about games, but what we're finding with the VR industry is it's constantly changing, emerging, the rules haven't been written, we're borrowing from historical games knowledge, we're creating new interactions, and as we transition into things like the metaverse and even more immersive worlds, there's so much legwork to still be done.
This is a space that is changing every single day, and I think what's really interesting is that it's a mixture of technologies that are kind of converging and coming together all at the same time to be able to produce these fantastic and magical experiences.
Virtual reality is a really exciting field for so many reasons. The thing I love most about virtual reality is the idea that so many people from all sorts of different creative backgrounds can come together and collaborate. So anyone really who is excited about telling a story, the way that you can tell stories in VR is so new, it's exciting for both the creator and the audience. You can play with touch, movement, even things like wind or sound in such a spatial way. The possibilities are limitless of what you can achieve.